Have you ever wished you had one kitchen appliance that could do almost everything? Imagine being able to deep fry crispy French fries, steam healthy vegetables, cook pasta, make soups, prepare casseroles, and even roast meat, all without filling your kitchen with multiple bulky appliances. Before we dive in, if you love discovering the best Amazon finds, practical kitchen gadgets, and products that make everyday cooking easier, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Presto 06006 Kitchen Kettle Multi-Cooker. At first glance, it may look like a simple cooker, but don't let its compact design fool you. This versatile appliance is designed to handle a variety of cooking tasks, making it a fantastic addition to almost any kitchen. One of its most popular features is its ability to deep fry up to 6 servings of French fries at once. Whether you're making crispy fries, chicken tenders, onion rings, or your favorite comfort foods, this cooker can help you achieve delicious results right at home. But it doesn't stop there. The Presto Kitchen Kettle also works as a multi-cooker and steamer. You can prepare hearty soups, creamy casseroles, fluffy rice, perfectly cooked pasta, steamed vegetables, fish, and even roast beef, pork, or poultry. For busy families or anyone trying to simplify meal preparation, having one appliance that can perform so many functions can be a real game changer. And if you'd like to check today's price, available discounts, and customer reviews, you'll find the direct Amazon product link in the description below. Since Amazon deals can change frequently, it's always worth checking before making your purchase. Another standout feature is the PFAS-free ceramic nonstick surface. The nonstick coating helps prevent food from sticking while also making cleanup much easier. After cooking, simply remove the heat control, and the unit becomes fully immersible, making washing and maintenance incredibly convenient. The appliance also includes a basket and lid, giving you even more flexibility depending on what you're preparing. Despite its versatility, the Presto Kitchen Kettle maintains a compact footprint, helping save valuable counter space compared to owning multiple separate appliances. It's easy to understand why this product has earned an impressive 4.6-star rating from more than 20,000 customers and continues to be a trusted favorite among home cooks across the United States. Whether you're frying snacks for game day, steaming healthy vegetables for dinner, or preparing a comforting homemade soup, this multi-cooker is designed to simplify your time in the kitchen. Backhand index pointing right. If you're looking for a versatile appliance that can help you cook more while using less space, be sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find today's pricing, customer reviews, complete product details, and any limited-time Amazon deals that may currently be available. And if you enjoy discovering practical Amazon kitchen finds that actually make life easier, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, what would you cook first with this multi-cooker?